your air show announcer. You're going to be here in one. We have over 20 aircraft to fly today. And our grand finale fireworks display is our F-16 demonstration team. Let's give them a big round of applause on Shaw Air Force Base. Thank you once again for the continued support. We also have, like to, for all of our standings, we got a Black Hawk from Texas Guard from Martindale. We got a C-130 from the 136 in Fort Worth. And we've got an F-16 out of Lakeland Air Force Base in San Antonio. Plus their maintenance staff helps us out. Thank you to Laughlin Air Force Base for bringing a T-6 down. They got an air show on March 14th. Go check that out. CP-140, Royal Canadian Air Force, for the first time has come to our air show here in Laredo. Let's welcome the Canadian Royal Air Force. Thank you for bringing your CP-140 Roar. They came from Halifax, Nova Scotia. C5 Airlift, once again, the 68th out of San Antonio, thank you. And that from Shaw Air Force Base, that Viper demonstration team. Thank you to my wife for letting me take 20 days off work to volunteer to do this. Ms. Danielle Marasco, thank you. Thank you to the over 2 decades of chairmen who have led this before us, Mr. Carlos Garza, Rick Balls, Glenn Brace, Tony Trevino,